How to file a 1095A on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you'll get a 1095A, wait until you've received it to file your tax return. Filing without it will result in a rejection from the IRS. You should receive a Form 1095A by mid-February if you purchased health insurance through healthcare.gov or your state's health insurance marketplace. So, in order to enter it, you want to open or continue your return, then navigate to 1095A section. For that, click on the search bar and search for 1095A, then select the Jump to link. Now, answer yes and enter your 1095A info on the next screen. TurboTax will only ask you questions that will affect your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.